Hey, so I'm Dean Attridge. I'm at the Oil and Gas Robotics show here, showing as a guest with rocket-mounted unmanned solutions, who are a reseller for my product, which is the Evolve Dynamics Sky Mantis. This is the Sky Mantis here, folded up in its stowage position. It is an all-weather, 1-hour endurance drone. And by all weather, we can fly in IP55, so we can fly. We're quite happy to fly in rain all day, and it can cope with 47-mile-an-hour winds. So we are in service with the Royal Navy and have just arrived in the Antarctic, and we're in service with a customer in Oman doing oil and gas inspections, and they are using the Sierra-Olympia's optical gas inspection camera. So hence the tie-up between our companies. Our payloads are quick removable. You can swap between this particular payload, which is a 30 times optical zoom, and a thermal imaging camera. Two other cameras, like as I mentioned, the Sierra-Olympia's optical gas inspection camera that we've integrated into our platform, and we have many other cameras as well. The platform itself folds up and deploys very rapidly. Just literally rotate the arms out, place it down, and pull the pin out, and the platform will arm and be ready for flight. It takes about a minute to put it into the air, so very, very rapid. The hand controller itself is IP66 rated, so fully for full weather use. Designed to operate with gloves. There's no touch screen. It's all through the function buttons at the bottom here. Traditional controls and a 1000-nit screen, so you can use it outside without any problems. Some of the unique features we have for this aircraft, you can see it's very flat in its design. Huge battery at the bottom with our 1-hour endurance with all the payloads on board. Plus you'll see these holes in the bottom as well. I don't have it with me here today, but we have a tether system that clips into here. We can fly on that tether for up to 48 hours, and then that tether can be dropped in flight, and you can fly away with the remainder of the battery, which is a 30-minute battery. So all told, we have a very deployable all-weather system, long endurance with multiple payloads. It's made in the UK by Evolve Dynamics, and we've partnered with various suppliers like Sierra-Olympia to supply us the cameras, and all of our systems are fully integrated into the platform.
What's an advantage that the Sierra-Olympia camera has over other optical gas imaging cameras on the market?
Really resolution, its compactness as well. We've been able to very successfully, and in fact on the demo for our customer in Oman where we showed them, we actually found a methane leak on their demo, which pretty well sold the system to them. So we can identify that gas leak really, really quickly. So that's been very, very useful to us to help us sell our platform. The emissions controls are getting more and more stringent as we become more environmentally aware. The companies are becoming more and more aware that it needs to be done regularly and efficiently to be economically viable for them. So by encouraging them to use really sensitive cameras that can pick up those gas inspections, they can find them quickly and easily. That's making the biggest difference to our customers at the moment. So that's why we started to move towards a commercial path and partnered with Sierra-Olympia to allow us to be able to offer that with this drone.